what we took away by using the ductless mini split, right? We're providing air circulation, air movement throughout the house. We're providing an option for ventilation. We have MERV 13 filters in here, and we're dehumidifying. So, and it still says Ultra Air up there, so, in case.
I should say Ultra Series.
Ultra Series, but we're good. You don't have to use the ventilation with any of the dehumidifiers. You can cap that off, you don't have to use it. If you're using some other ventilation strategies, you don't have to use it. But when you're using, we want typically at least 3 supplies, so we're not dumping that warm air only into, a lot of times I'm getting people who want to do 1 to return and 1 supply and dump all that air into one area. You're gonna make it uncomfortable. And usually what we'll recommend is to put that supply air as close to the ductless mini split heads as possible. So put it in the rooms with the ductless mini split heads and put it as close to them as possible so we don't create uncomfortable